Let's unbox a huge variety of some animal toys. We have some sea animals, underwater animals, aquatic animals, penguin, shark, stingray, manta ray, octopus. Then we have some colorful dinosaur toys. We have lots of dinosaurs inside this playset. So we'll unbox them and learn their names. And lastly, we have some wild animal toys. Some zoo animals, wild animals. So let's start with some dinosaur toys. We have lots of colorful dinosaur toys in this playset. Centrosaurus. It's a vegetarian dinosaur with a sharp horn on its head. Centrosaurus. Next we have a Carnotaurus. It's a carnivorous dinosaur with a long tail, spikes on its body, and sharp teeth. Next we have the king of the dinosaurs, a Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus is one of the dangerous and most powerful dinosaur. A Tyrannosaurus. Next we have a Triceratops. A Triceratops is a herbivorous dinosaur which walks on all four legs. It has two horns on its head. A Triceratops. Next we have a Diplodocus. A Diplodocus is a long-necked vegetarian dinosaur. Diplodocus. It's one of the oldest dinosaurs ever lived. Next we have a Dimertodon. A Dimertodon is a meat-eating dinosaur. It is very dangerous and it walks on all four legs. Next we have a Parasaurolophus. A Parasaurolophus is a herbivorous dinosaur. Parasaurolophus. Next we have a carnivorous dinosaur, a Ceratosaurus. It has a horn on its head, some spikes on its body. And Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus is one of the killer dinosaurs which have spikes all over its body. We have a flying dinosaur, a pterodactyl. Next we have a Stegosaurus. A Stegosaurus walks on its all four legs. Next we have a Dilophosaurus. A Dilophosaurus. A Spinosaurus. A Spinosaurus. Now let's unbox some zoo animal, safari animal toys. We have lots of zoo animal toys in this playset. So let's unbox and see which ones are there. Firstly, we have a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are the world's third largest land mammal on earth. Hippo. Next we have a crocodile. A crocodile is a reptile with scales on its body. It has the strongest jaw in the world. Crocodile. Next we have a horse. Horses are one of the most beautiful and loyal animals. Horse. Next we have an elephant. And elephants have long and large ears. They have a trunk and two tusks. Elephant. A tiger. Tigers are big cats. They are silent hunters. A tiger. Next we have a giraffe with spots on its body. Giraffes are the largest and tallest land mammal. Next we have a rhinoceros. They have these beastly horns on their head which are very dangerous and deadly. Next we have a zebra, a beautiful zebra. Wow, we have a fearless and powerful lion, the king of the jungle. Here we have a deer. A deer belongs to an antelope family, a deer. The next one is a brown grizzly bear. Brown bears are usually good hunters and they have a good sense of smell. Last animal we have is a hyena. Hyenas are scavenger hunters. Hyena. It's time to unbox some sea animal toys. We have lots of sea animals in this playset. So let's unbox them together and learn their names. Firstly, we have a sea turtle. A sea turtle is one of the cutest creatures of sea. A sea lion. A sea lion lives in land as well as in water. Next we have a seal. A seal is also a mammal. A seal. A stingray. A stingray is a fish. A stingray. Next we have an orca whale. Orca whales are the largest water mammal on earth. An octopus. An octopus had 8 legs. Octopus. Next we have a hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks are very deadly. They have sharp teeth. A penguin. A penguin is one of the cutest animals. Penguin. Here we have a horseshoe crab. A horseshoe crab. Next we have a blue whale. A blue whale is also one of the heaviest water mammal. A sea otter. A sea otter. A crab. A crab. A whale shark. A whale shark. And lastly we have a manta ray. A manta ray.